Hello Doctor, we are from USM Venture Tax Service Sdn Berhad. My name is Muhammad Fatul Muin bin Ahmad. Scenario for income: Mr. Ryan annual income is 180,000 and Ms. Farah is 156,000. Under Section 31A, salary will be taxable. Second, Mr. Ryan receives 30,000 and Ms. Farah receives 20,000 as their bonus 2021. Under Section 31A, bonus will be taxable. Third, both of them also receive meal allowance and parking allowance. Under Section 31A, it will be exempted. Fourth, during the year, Mr. Ryan received gift money 200 from his CEO because Mr. Ryan's son birthday party. Under Section 31A, gift will be exempted because not related to service.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azamuddin and I will proceed with scenario income. Mr. Ryan and Ms. Farah are given 500 for medical benefit. Under Section 31B, he is exempted. In the year 2022, Mr. Ryan and his family traveled to Tokyo, Japan, which cost a total of 10,000. Later on, they also traveled to Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, cost 3,500, and Pulau Langkawi, Kedah, that cost 1,800. Under Section 31B, is leave passage allowance. Local travel is exempted, but for overseas travel is exempted only for 3,000, so 7,000 will be taxable. Mr. Ryan and Ms. Farah both receive a contribution EPF 30% of their salary from their employer. This will be exempted under Section 31B. Mr. Ryan also receive a benefit including a company car costing 100,000 with a petrol range between 18 to 100,000. Under Section 31B, the amount of 3,600 for a car and 1,200 for petrol, with a total of 4,800 will be taxable. Next, a gardener who is paid 400 per month, which means a 4,800 for the year. Under Section 31B, maximum 3,600 will be taxable. The benefit provided to Ms. Farah include a company car costing 120,000 with petrol. Under Section 31B, the amount for car 5,000 and petrol 1,500 with a total 6,500 will be taxable. A domestic servant who is paid 500 per month will be 6,000 per year. Under Section 31B, maximum pay of 4,800 will be taxable. The company also provide Mr. Ryan with a house that come with complete equipment such as air conditioner, furniture and others. Under Section 31B, furniture will be 3,316 for 12 months. Next, the company pay the monthly rental of 4,000, including the value of furniture of 500 per month. This will be the under Section 31C, where the calculation will be 30% times Section 31A. It will become 30% times 210,000 is equal to 63,000, or 4,000 minus 500 times 12 equal to 42,000, which to 42,000 cost of the lower value. Next, Mr. Ryan contribute to an approved retirement and receive 70,000. Under Section 31D, an approved pension fund receipt for an approved provident fund contribute made by employer plus interest earned by such an approved fund. So the calculation will be 30,000 plus 10,000 equal to 40,000 will be taxable. And Mr. Ryan lastly as manager because he opted for a VSS as initiated by the CIMB Bank. Mr. Ryan entered into agreement with the CIMB Bank that he will not carry any business that in competition with the CIMB Bank for a period of 3 years. This will be treated under Section 31E, compensation for loss of employment with exemption maximum 10,000 per year of service with calculation 215,000 minus 10,000 times 20 years equal to 50,000. So 15,000 will be taxable.
12. Ms. Farah received interest income from lending 10,000 to her brother partnership producing soap. 10,000 will be under Section 4C, interest income. 13. Mr. Ryan also has single story terrace house which is he rent out. Under Section 4D, rental income, only 17,800 will be taxable. The calculation is rental income 14,400 plus 7,200 equal to 21,600, less allowable expense, quick rent 500, bank interest 1,300, replacement of damaged tile 2,000, and the total expense is 3,800. Adjusted rental income is 21,600 minus 3,800 will be 70,800.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Muhammad Zakano Habib Mahathir and I'm going to present the scenario for relief. Personal relief for Mr. Ryan and Mrs. Farah, which is criteria for individual and independent relative. The treatment is both can claim 9,000 ringgit. Mr. Muhammad Ryan continued his studies at PhD level in the field of Islamic and finance, Islamic banking and finance at University Putra Malaysia (UPM), and the tuition fee he has incurred amount 2,000 ringgit. 20,000 ringgit, while Ms. Farah also continued the same studies at PhD level in the field of finance, and tuition fee was incurred as much as 70,000 ringgit. The criteria was self-education, degree at master or doctorate level in any course of studies, and the treatment able or they can claim a relief, which is the claim maximum is 7,000 ringgit per person. And he has also deposited a sum of 2,500 ringgit on behalf of his youngest daughter into the National Education Savings Scheme, which is SSPN account. While Puan Farah has made a saving SSPM for her 5-year-old son with a sum of 2,700. The treatment is maximum relief of 8,000 ringgit. Mr. Ryan can claim 2,500 ringgit and Ms. Farah can claim 2,700 ringgit. Mr. Muhammad Ryan and Ms. Farah contributed 350 ringgit to SOSO. The criteria is contribution to the Social Security Organisation, SOSO, and the treatment is maximum relief 350 ringgit. Both can claim 350 ringgit per person. At the beginning of the year, Mr. Muhammad Ryan bought a smartphone worth 2,200 ringgit. Mrs. Farah bought herself a laptop for her own use amounting 2,500 ringgit. The criteria is lifetime purchase of personal computer, smartphone or tablet for own use benefit or for spouse or child and not for business use. The treatment is maximum claim 2,500 ringgit. Mr. Ryan can claim 2,200 ringgit and Mrs. Farah can claim 2,500 ringgit. Mr. Muhammad Ryan pay medical insurance premium for medical purpose amounting to 2,500 ringgit per year. Mr. Muhammad Ryan, employer, has made an EPF deduction of 11% from his salary, which is 1,650 ringgit. While Ms. Farah, employer, has made an EPF deduction of 11% from her salary, which is 1,430 ringgit. She has also taken up a life insurance package worth 2,400 ringgit per year, and the criteria is life insurance and EPF. Treatment of maximum relief 4,000 ringgit for EPF, maximum 3,000 ringgit for life insurance. And they both can claim 4,000 ringgit, and Ms. Farah can claim extra 2,400 ringgit. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ifan. So today I will explain about the scenario from Mr. Ryan. So firstly, his first name child of Mr. Ryan is Muhammad Afiq Aidan, which is 20 years old, and continuing for his first degree at Harvard University, which is located at USA. The second child named Nuraisha Farhana, 19 years old, and has studied at UPSI at Tanjung Malim, Perak, Malaysia. So for this situation, Mr. Ryan can claim relief for each for one and two child is at 80,000 ringgit Malaysia. The third child named Muhammad Faraj Akil, which is 20 years old and maternity disabled and continue study at USM. The criteria of this decision is relief 60,000 of disabled child, additional exemption of 90,000, disabled child aged 18 years old and above, not married and pursuing diploma or above education Malaysia. So the treatment of this Mr. Ryan total can claim the relief up to 40,000 ringgit. Fourth child has registered and has been sent to the kindergarten under Child Care Central 1984 with payment of 270 ringgit per month, and the total of for the year is 3,240 ringgit. So the maximum 3,000 only that Mr. Ryan can claim the relief. Last June, Mr. Muhammad Ryan took an influenza vaccine to protect himself from influenza virus amount to 1,000 ringgit. The criteria of this situation is medical expense on vaccination for himself restrict to 1,000 ringgit. So Mr. Ryan can claim the relief, the 1,000 ringgit back. Mr. Muhammad Ryan on electric car. He subscribed electric car appliance to charge the car that is worth 250 ringgit per month. So the total is 3,000 in a year. The maximum relief 2,500 so that he can claim 2,500. While on holiday Langkawi Island, Mr. Muhammad Ryan borrowed interest fee to a tourist attraction of 300 ringgit. The criteria domestic tourism expense on payment on entry fee to a tourist attraction. So the maximum relief is 1,000, but he only can claim the 300 ringgit. And lastly is Mr. Ryan bought disability assistance equipment for his disabled son for a total of 4,500. The criteria for this situation is purchase of basic supporting equipment for disabled spouse, child, or parent. So the maximum relief 6,000, so he can claim the 6,000 ringgit. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Abdi. I want to present scenario for this Ms. Farah. First and foremost, No Izarah Safia, 5 years old, and No Aisha, 1 years old. For this country, are married child and under the age of 18 years old. Ms. Farah can claim release is 4 and 5 child for 2,000 ringgit. Second is during the year, Ms. Farah incurred 5,500 in medical expense in respect of her parent. For this criteria, medical treatment, special need, and care expense for parent, maximum release is 1,000. She can claim 5,500. The third is she also bought friendly equipment for her 5 child RM 700. Maximum release is 1,000. He can claim is 700 only. The fourth is Ms. Farah donate 20,000 cash to rabies facility. For this criteria, gift of money provision of rabies facility or to rabies, subsection 44 under the 8. Maximum is 20,000 and she can claim 20,000 ringgit Malaysia. And last, at the beginning of the August, Ms. Farah bought a bicycle, the cost RM 550. For this criteria, which means purchase of sport equipment for any sport activity as defined under the Sport Development Act 1997. Maximum is 500. She can claim only 500.
In conclusion, chargeable income for Ms. Farah is 138,650 and the tax payable is 90,976. And for Mr. Ryan, chargeable income is 309,710 and the tax payable is 61,328.95 cents.